Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be using only Dollar Tree products to clean my apartment. So I went to Dollar Tree and I just picked up different, items that I want to use, and I'm going to be testing them out. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the products that I picked. All right, y'all. So the first product I got is the Window Clean, the Totally Awesome. I'm going to be using this to clean my mirrors. So that's that. And I picked up the Works Basic deodorizing toilet bowl cleaner. So I want to try that, and I'm going to be using this to scrub that. So here is the Tile Plus 4-in-1 multi-surface cleaner, and it has lemon in it. I love lemon scent. So right here is just some furniture polish. This is just some disinfectant spray. When I'm done cleaning, I'm just gonna spray this with the disinfectant spray. It says kill cold and flu viruses, and this is like Chase's Home Value. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that. And here is Tidy Bowl. I think this is maybe the only name brand one that I got, but I just wanted it because I'm gonna be putting this in my toilet so I can get the pretty blue water. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that. And here's the floor cleaner, the Totally Awesome, and this the lavender. So yeah, here is just the Home Store brand dish soap, and as y'all can see, I picked lemon again. I just love the smell of lemon. I don't know, it's just something about it. And the last one is the Home Store brand, and this the all-purpose cleaner, and it says it's cut through grease and grime. All right, y'all. So that's all the products for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so this dish soap is like get my dishes squeaky clean. I can feel the squeakiness as I'm, rinsing them off. So if y'all like, squeaky clean dishes, then I would suggest, trying this. And it's only, $1. So it's a plus for me. So right now I'm just going to spray everything down, let it sit, while I finish up the kitchen. And then once I'm done, I'll come back and wipe everything down. So while I'm spraying, the top decides to break, but it still works. So I do like this all-purpose cleaner. It did remove the stain that I had in the sink. It do come with like bleach in it, so it is good for like removing stains. So the furniture polish, you know, works as it normally should, just by removing like dirt and dust and stuff. But I really can't like smell the lemon scent on it. So other than that, it's just good for like wiping down furniture. So I don't know why I was thinking it was gonna be more like a gel-like toilet bowl cleaner, you know, even though it don't say it on the label. But I don't know. In my head, I was just thinking it was gonna be, you know, a little more thicker than, you know, watery. So I don't know if it's supposed to be this watery, but you know, as y'all can see, it's still, you know, removing the stain. I just was hoping it would have been a little more thicker. So y'all see me over here making a complete mess. I was just trying to sit it off in the toilet tank, but before I could do that, it just, you know, spilled everywhere. So yeah, that was a fail, but I gotta clean this up. Alright, so with this bathroom foam cleaner, it's, you know, removing the stains out of my tub. I'm just not too crazy about the smell of it. It's not like a horrible smell. I really can't explain the smell, but you know, it's not the most pleasant smell either. So, but it's just good at removing the stains. All right, so this window cleaner is basically like the, you know, label said, it is streak free. It's not leaving like, you know, smudges and smears behind, but it do have like vinegar in it, so you can smell the vinegar. So other than that, this is a good brand. So yeah, I'm really loving this floor cleaner. It smells so good. I always, you know, like the smell of lavender, but this right here is real loud. You can really smell the, you know, the lavender scent. So I like that, and then it's getting the floor clean. So this is a good one. So this is just the disinfectant spray I was talking about earlier. I'm just gonna spray it. It smells good, by the way, and it's supposed to kill like germs and stuff. Alright, y'all, so that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from me. So I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.